Hi Karen, this is Byron with First Class Marketing here with a short video with tips and tricks that you can use in-house as well on driving more traffic to your actual website and getting more conversions for customers. And as you can see here, I do have your information pulled up here, your website. The first thing I do notice is that you do have your phone number listed at the very top. Um, Easy on the eye for customers to give you a call right away. And I also see that you have a form listed here that is very helpful with quick conversions as well with customers. And as I go through your website, I do show you have a lot of pictures, a lot of beautiful work here, and showing off the services and products that you provide. And looks like you have some content as well. Now with Google, Google would like to see about maybe 15 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and keywords on the home page. Now keywords are basically anything that someone types into Google looking for a specific service or product. Now Google loves information, so within that content, you definitely want to make sure that you strategically place those keywords within your content. That is going to give you power to let Google know how you want your website to be found on your terms. And also the pictures that you save on your website, those can be also used as keywords as well when you save them. Right here is a tool that we use called Arrows. You can use this tool as well, but this gives you a basic analytical breakdown of your website and the traffic that is coming to it. And as we take a look here, one thing that we do look at is what they call the UR and the actual DR. So the UR represents how much power your website is getting, and the DR represents how much trust that Google has within your website. You want to be about maybe between 30 and 40 when it comes to these numbers. That's just going to indicate a strong website. And as we take a look here, you have about 429 backlinks with about 75 referring domains. Now, backlinks are basically any other website that is referring back to your website via clickable links or text as well. And not all backlinks are made equal, so you definitely want to make sure you have quality over quantity. Some backlinks can be spammy and others can be authoritative. So you definitely want to make sure you go and grab the authoritative backlinks. That is going to give you more power to your website, increasing these numbers. And I show here you have about 15 keywords, and in all, that is bringing you about maybe 15 clicks or so per month to your website. So using these tips and tricks will definitely increase the traffic to your website as well. And let's take a look at your keywords. So as far as keywords, you definitely want to make sure you use the buyer intent keywords as well, and the keywords that are that has location and the service locations that you provide as well. So as you can see here, you have roofing Austin, Texas, roofers Austin, Austin roofers, roofers in Austin, roofing contractors Austin, Texas. So you definitely have some great keywords, but you could definitely use more as well. That is going to increase the power that is coming to your website. And as a comparison, I typed in roofer Austin, Texas, and as you can see for the results, this is called the map pack section here. And then as we scroll down, this is called the more organic listing. So ultimately, you want to aim to be in this map pack section here because 30 to 40% of your business, whether it's traffic to your website or callers just calling into your business, is going to come directly from this section here. So you definitely want to make sure that you're listed high within this ranking of this section. And how you do so, um, A few tips is that you want to make sure that you are getting consistent good reviews in this section here. And also with those good reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding back to your customers as well. A lot of business owners, they do not respond to their customers, or they don't remember to respond as well. And as we go down here, this is the About Me section here. This About Me section has about 750 characters. So you want to make sure that it's fully filled out, as well as you want to throw in some keywords to optimize this section as well. You also want to make sure that all of your information as far as your business name, address, and phone number, and your hours are listed the same across all of these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also LinkedIn. And then you also want to make sure that you have pictures, a lot of pictures, maybe about 100 pictures or so. Google loves pictures, and that will actually increase your position on this section here in the map pack. And then we also have what we call citations. Citations are basically your business name, address, phone number, and hours listed across different platforms. It's going to go off of your Google profile. So you want to make sure all of the information is listed the same across the board, and that is going to get you listed in different directories such as the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, and Yellow Pages, and thousands more. So as we take a look at the competition here, Austin Roofing, as you can see, they have a clickable number here at the very top, which is very good for conversions as well. And their website has some content. It can use some work as well, but they also have pictures. And as we plug them into the errors tool that I told you about earlier that we looked at your website with, as you can see, their power is about a 29 and their trust with Google is at a 31. So with their 3,400 backlinks and their 237 referring domains, along with 143 keywords, they are getting about 773 clicks per month on their website. So in order to get ranked in their position, you definitely want to match them or beat them out about 100 or so. That is going to outrank them. And as we take a look at some of their keywords, they have Austin Roofing, Austin Roofing Contractor, Roofing and Construction. That is more so a national keyword. So again, you want to stick with the local keywords. That is going to get more traffic to your website. Roofing Company Austin. They have some pretty good keywords listed here that is driving a lot of traffic to their website. So I do this for a living. I hope this video was very helpful and very informative. If you have any other questions or anything that I can do to help, maybe we can discuss the goals of your business, please give me a shout back. My information will be listed in the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for watching.